Hey dudes and chicks and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Make for Less Time. My name is Katie. Today, I am going to be popping all the cherries. I'm going to be popping all the cherries. I'm going to be using, I got both of the summer collections, the summer mystery boxes from Unearthly Cosmetics. And so I'm going to be just using a bunch of shit out of these boxes. I'm really excited about them, and so if you guys are interested in seeing what colors I use, what I thought about the products, or if you just like to watch, then hang out. Okay, so I'm primed with my P. Louise primer in Rumor 02, and I wanted to do a blue and green look, but then I also want to use the highlighters, and one of them is pink and the other one is orange. So I feel like that actually gives me not really a choice. Let me just see something here, what this looks like. Yeah, it just has a hint of peach. These are the highlighters. This is the orange package. And then this, ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's actually really unique. And then this is the, ooh, that has a kind of a bluey lavender shift in the pink highlighter. So I'm just gonna do what seems like functional, because I want to be able to use the highlighters, and I won't be able to stand it if I do something else. So I'm going to start with the color Out of Sight, which is pretty much like a lot of like what I've been doing more lately anyway. And then I'm probably going to use this deep, like almost black color in the other one to deepen that up if I need some more dimension. So I'm just going to go in with my Rephr 14, and I'm just going to kind of start doing the outer V and up through the crease. I'm not trying to talk shit. I get the logic behind this, but I really wish there would have been more of a pink option in this palette. This is the pink option. And because the highlighters are pink, there's cute pink shimmers. There's a lot of different colored options. I just, for the sake of those pink highlighters, I wish there was more of a pink option. It feels like there's not really anywhere for me to go with this except to the purple, which would be cute. I mean, is anybody, everybody has had this already, so I don't really know if anybody's even, like, is this even a thing anymore? Can you even get this? I honestly have been so busy. I've been balls deep in doing other things that filming has kind of taken a back seat, which honestly, you guys know, when I get balls deep in something, filming always takes a back seat. But I'm never too far away. That looks cute. I'm just making sure to go up over the top of my crease, which this is actually really good. See, it's just barely up over the top. I might not need to go any deeper than this either. So then I'm going to go in with probably my Wayne Goss number 19, I think it is. And I'm going to go into Groovy. And I'm just going to go like about 50% on and 50% off. Ooh, that's already looking really pretty. I don't know if anybody's actually done these colors, or I honestly haven't watched anybody else's videos on this except the reveal videos by Amanda. So I hope this isn't boring. I'm sure everyone has done this look because it's pretty spelled out. Man, this looks really cute. I might do something different now because this looks so cute. I really wanted to fuck with these blues and greens. There's so many cute blue-green options. It just wasn't an option in the highlighters. I'm either going to blend this out with this peachy or with the Far Out. Yeah, let's do Far Out. Because peachy would kind of turn it into a little more of a romantic look, which I've been doing a lot of those lately. Maybe it's fucking Freudian. Man, this orange is something else. Super pigmented, not disappointing at all. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill, Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH33, and I'm gonna use the color Far Out. Now, as you guys all know, yellow is usually, I don't wanna use the word disappointing, but it usually is pretty disappointing, but this looks actually pretty pigmented, so let's just see what happens. It just seems like yellow never goes on the way it looks in the pan because it's the lightest color in the primary colors. So it usually doesn't cover that well or anything. Also, I'm kind of counting on that because I don't want, yeah, this looks more like fire. Yeah, this is not a disappointing yellow. It's super pigmented. So I'm definitely going to be using the orange highlighter, which is kind of what I wanted to do anyway. Yeah, I've just been a little bit out of the loop. So I don't really know if this is even available anymore or if anybody's even interested in it anymore. I know that most of the people did their videos quite a while ago. I saw the notifications for them. I just didn't watch them. Are you guys getting the Halloween box? I honestly haven't even seen the reveal for that. I mean, to be fair, I have been kind of busy trying to manage my broken heart. So that's, I mean, I guess I forgot about that. I forgot that that's what I've been doing. Yeah, this is cute. Now I'm just going back and forth in those colors. I'm going to go back into Groovy. This isn't going to be too hard. These colors are blending like super easily. I was going to do a kind of a purple sunset look and then I just... My name is Katie. Welcome to my channel. I've never regretted doing a sunset look, but I'm never really inspired to do that either. So I'm going to orange this up as much as I can. I feel like that yellow made it way too fucking bright. Well, or I don't know, maybe too, what, happy? I like orange a lot more than yellow, for sure. Now, I do think that if you are new at color or if you're scared to try color, one way for you to actually make color more palatable is to surround it by yellow. So you can take any blue look and surround it by yellow, any bright green and surround it by yellow. And this is a canary yellow, but like, if you surround it by yellow, it kind of like tones it down and gets it a little closer to your skin tone as far as like pigment wise. As I said, yellow is the lightest color in the primary colors, and so it's the least pigmented, and so it's closer to my skin tone anyways, and it makes it not quite so crazy looking, any color. If you move it to yellow, like blue, green, yellow, red, orange, yellow, it will get the outside closer to your skin tone if you're fair. I don't think I'm gonna need to deepen this up either with a different color. Yeah, this looks nice. I'm just gonna kind of go along the lower lash line really quickly with Morphe M431. I'm gonna go into Out of Sight, that deep red, or like this passion, like Venetian red, I'd say. And I'm just pulling it up like to where the red is right here. And then just pulling out the red right there on the corner. Man, that looks really nice. And then I'm gonna go into Groovy with the same, my Wayne Goss brush. I saw that Notoriously Morbid has a new palette out. I know some of you got it already. Let me know. I'm just working on my blend. I mean, honestly, this blend is fucking perfection, but just for the sake of doing it. This is not a disappointing yellow at all, by the way, which yellow is famously disappointing. I just always, when I do red to orange to yellow, I just feel like I look like the Phoenix, which I am the fucking Phoenix, but that looks pretty. Super pretty. Okay, so now what? Ooh! Oh, shit. Okay. That's a little bluer than I want. What's this? Oh, man. Ooh, the duochromes in this are really good. Okay. Man, the greens are cool. I think I'm just going to do another look with these tomorrow and do the blue greens. Honestly, I don't have a fucking outfit that matches the blue greens. Like, I actually fucked around for like an hour today trying to find something to wear to match the blue greens. And then I was like, well, fuck it. I need to use those highlighters, which I'm pretty excited to use the highlighters. Also, I'm so in love with the last highlighters, the low lights, the singles. Oh my God, they seriously rock my fucking world. I rush to use them. So this color Fox is like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it actually looks like mint green to pink. Fuck. I think, what am I gonna do? Fuck, man. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the color, okay, I'm gonna use my NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm gonna use this color Funky, because I just about shit my pants when I saw it on my finger. All these swatches are super good. And with my Voldemort VJH51, I'm going to go into the color Funky. And this is going to be a good fucking time, I'm telling you right now. Ooh. Oh my God. Ooh, yeah. You know, one thing I do like about using, oh my God, that is satisfying as fuck. Okay, 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 okay. Wow, that's really fucking pretty. Okay, now I'm going back into Out of Sight, that deepest red. Damn, that is so pretty. And then, okay, I'm gonna obviously stay right here. This is where I'm gonna live. And then this, and then this. Okay, I'm gonna use this color In Your Dreams as my inner corner highlight, and maybe kind of up on the lid or what the fuck ever, like, you know how I do it. Okay, In Your Dreams, I'm using in the inner corner. I'm gonna give this a little spritzy poo. Yeah, this looks really nice. I think I'm gonna leave it like that because I love this color so much. I know you guys can't see it, but this really shifts to like this sweet, like magenta-ish, like maroon. It's really pretty. I'm gonna actually just make sure that this is like tapped out. Huh. The orangest of oranges. I'm gonna use Tangy. And this is my Unearthly blush because I'm gonna do the highlighter on camera and then I'm gonna go do my other eye. Which, oh, I might have, oh, I really just went in there. You know, there's just something really deceptive about these Unearthly blushes, and the reason why is because they all look like they're going to be one color, but then when you put them on, they all look really nice. Like, even that fierce, like, purpley color, the pink is a lot. Like, if you fuck around with that, you're going to find out. But it just seems like they always look a lot more closer to, like, for me, a wearable color than what they look like they're gonna be in the pan. So anyway, I'm gonna use this new brush. My manager and friend Tanya sent me this, and it's the best highlighter brush I've ever used. And I don't remember what she said it was, but it has a C on it. And I'm gonna go into Slick, and I'm gonna use that as my highlighter. Oh, I might have gone overboard with that. Now, what it seemed like in the swatches is that one is a little bit more of a shimmery formula, and the other one is more of like a kind of a regular formula. Yeah, this has a nice peachy shift. Cute. Yeah, I don't regret this at all. Cute. Okay, and now obviously this is a really good lead into using the orange lip gloss, which I'm not mad at all. I love these lip glosses. I love all of Unearthly's lip formulas, so this is actually going to be pretty fucking sweet. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks perfect. Feels like this might be a little more pigmented than the regular formula, or maybe it's because it's not an opposing color on my lips. It's like a red base color, so it shows true to color. Wow, I look fucking beautiful. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. So this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I used my Kiss eye wigs. I used my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Lucky. I actually went back through because I keep forgetting when I do my look that I have these lip pencils by Unearthly, and I really like them. I've had a couple bleed up, but literally after 7 hours of wearing with a lip gloss over the top of it. So they hold up, and they're creamy and comfortable, which is kind of a strange combination to me. I don't expect that to happen, and it actually has. So I went back in with Bad Blood over the top, or around the edges, and then went in with that Psych lip gloss. And I feel like you guys saw everything else, and honestly, I really enjoy this. I honestly can't wait to get into those blues and greens, and then kind of use the other highlighters to match other highlighters that I have that are more matching. But I really wanted to use as full of the collection as I could. And so I don't know if this is still available or how many of you guys got it, but I'm actually going to do some, I feel like, more creative looks with it. And also that orange lid color, whatever the fuck it was called, is titties. So yeah, that's all there is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality and my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. If you got halfway through this video and you're like, oh my god, she's so pretty till she opens her big fucking mouth, then go check me out on Instagram. I don't talk as much on Instagram, and that's about to change. I know I keep saying that. It really is though. And if you're like, don't sugarcoat it, Katie, why don't you tell us how you really feel? Then go check out my Patreon. I don't hold anything back on my Patreon. I go live every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, the aptly named See You Next Tuesday. And if you guys haven't yet, and you guys, if you're going through a breakup, check out my free guide. I'll have it linked in the bio. And if you guys haven't checked it out yet and you guys are interested in seeing how I've taken all my beauty routine practices and kind of intertwined them with my spiritual practices, then check out my book. It's $9.99 now. I'm actually doing some things right now that are kind of changing everything and getting some things in play that I'm pretty excited about. I know I told you I was going to tell you, but I'm not quite ready yet. So yeah, check out my Stan store. That'll be linked in the bio as well. Thank you so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later.